sharing our content. Daily we go to our different social media outlets, especially our YouTube channel, and we find people bringing one or two e-commerce business for us to review. That is why we are here. We are here to guide, we are here to educate, we are here to give you the right information and data before you invest with that company. Heron Soribe right here with you. Heron Soribe giving you this wonderful review. That is why we are here. Heron Soribe is here to do another wonderful review for you. Now, somebody met us and asked us to do a review on a company that is very, very recent, a company that has accumulated a lot of followers. Somebody asked us to do a review on Deacon Forest Intelligence, Deacon Forest Intelligence Limited, Deacon Forest Intelligence Limited. Now, Deacon Forest Intelligence Limited, who are they? What are they into? Just as the name goes, we believe they are into forest trading. The forest market is becoming very lucrative. An analysis, Daily Forest, a forum that is trade forest market in Nigeria and Africa, will tell you that on daily basis, Nigerian traders trade forest to the tune of $1.25 million daily on average. So today, Nigerian traders have trade forest to the tune of 1.25 million, and it's rising because our currency is falling and people are seeing the forest market as a place where they can classify their investment and they can get good return on their investment. Now, Deacon Forest, like we said, are into forest market. They want to raise investors not by investing with the company alone, but they want to raise investors by giving them guide on how to establish their own business, and that is what we got from their side. Now, they are doing this MLM scheme, not MMM. I keep saying multi-level marketing. Multi-level marketing is a pyramid market. You refer, they pay you for referring to them. That is what a lot of these forest guys are doing, a pyramid system. But what we have said is that these systems, from expert advice, financial experts, they are not sustainable in the long term. In the long term, the system, the pyramid, the structure crashes. So, and that is what Deacon Forest does. They have a good return on investment, 20% return on investment. Monthly, 20% return on investment. Is it possible? Is it sustainable? I think you can make good money from forest and you can still lose good money from forest. But 20% return of investment, I think, is on the high side. We need to be very, very real when we give out some of this information. Now, the corporate history. When you want to trade with a company, you have to look at who are those running the show, who are the leaders, who are the CEO, the MD. Now, when we look at the CEO of this company, a very young chap, you go to their site, you see the guy, a very young, smart chap. This generation is for the young persons. They are smart, they are enterprising, and they are wonderful. Now, when you look at the guy, Olori Best Ogenero, analysis on him on the internet. Now, what we are saying is that we try to look at his online presence. We want to get corporate history. Now, we didn't get much. We couldn't get much on him. No corporate history, no testimonial, and we want to appeal to those that are in Deacon Forest, the management, maybe the MD. You have to bring out some of your corporate history. You have to tell people what you have done, companies you have worked with before. That will boost credibility. Now, that being said, scamdoc.com will tell you that they gave this site, Deacon Forest Intelligence Limited, 1% rating. Why? Who he said the domain is very young, just this year it was registered, and not just the duration for registration is 1 year, that when you have short duration for registration, people feel that you may want to go out of the market very soon. So Deacon Forest should try to explain more, and they should try to give more credibility on their site. Now, something we saw when we went to Scam Advisor, we find out that the place for company data, we are seeing we were seeing the person that designed the sites. Company that are also carry those that are running the company, also carry the Olori, Ogenero, and some other persons. So Dika Forest should look at that. Why will the companies that have carry somebody that designed the site? People design site, they are not the companies, and they are just clients that design site for somebody. So Dika Forest should look into that. And then I want to ask this question: is Dika Forest legit? Is this something that people should invest with? In our opinion, we do rating. We don't tell you whether it's legit or not. We just give you the information. In our opinion, Dika Forest is going to have a rating of 2 over 10. Why? It is recent, no proper documentation of registration certificates. We don't know if they are registered with CAC. We just only know it is Dika Forest Intelligence Limited. Then CEO history is unknown. Like many other scheme, it is a pyramid scheme. You know, it's not regulated. So this is our opinion. This is what we see about Dika Forest. For those of them that run Dika Forest, they should place more credential, they should give more history, then we can update this review that we have run on Dika Forest. So this is Dika Forest. You want to invest with them, it's at your own risk. You don't want to invest, it's at your own risk. Investing is risky, especially investing in forest. So you do your own research and see if Dika Forest is what you want to put your money on. Thank you. See you in the next video. Follow our YouTube channel. We have done so many other reviews. We've done review on NBA Forest. We've done review on Shimon. We've done review on Omega Pro, and more are still coming. We are here to help you and to educate the community. Thank you.